Ladies and gentlemen, today is finally that day to get something off my chest. You know, lately content has been kind of meh lately, I understand that. Like, just recently I made a video on this. Rasengan. Yeah, so don't get mad. I want to apologize, and as well as, like, I really want y'all to take the opportunity to go in the comments. Before y'all go in the comments, like and subscribe, but please go in the comments. And I understand there's a few people already who have said react to their videos on their channel. My computer's broken right now. I can do other things, like I was thinking, since I have a good camera, why don't we bring back Fuego Comodo? Alright, let's get right. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going forward. Boom, boom. Del Fuego on the track. You know I'm gonna spit back for part 2, yeah. I'm gonna spit back for part 2 of you gotta keep going. You know I love you. That's why I say you gotta keep going. I think I did pretty good when it came to doing this video. Not gonna lie, it took like probably a few minutes, but it worked. Rasengan, bro. It's one of the coolest things I have on this channel. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Anyone wants this? Look at this right here. It's a Mitsuri Kanroji Funko Pop. It's actually not even open. It's still in the case. If you guys want this, I gotta get to 1,000 subscribers, and I will be choosing a random subscriber, and I will somehow find a way to give this to you. If you want it, that is. I have other things I can give out, but this is one of the things I have right now. So, let me know what y'all think.